I've mixed flour, sugar, and butter, almost equal thirds. And I'm going to take them over to the grill where I currently have my cast iron skillet heating up on high. And then as it gets heated thoroughly, I will put the cookies on. I'm gonna plop a spoonful on. And we're gonna take this one and just plop a spoonful on. Turn that into 2 cookies.
I can dug it. That is real.
Yeah. Well, that's the Dutch oven, and that's the cast iron skillet, and this is the grill.
You took it out in there.
Nope, just in this one.
Oh,
It is hot here on the grill, isn't it? So I just flipped over the first batch on the cast iron skillet over the grill of sugar cookies made with flour, sugar, and butter. The browning came out really nice. I flipped them because they just didn't look like they were baking as well as they should have. But they look good, and I'm sure they'll get harder as I take them off and they cool down. These cookies I made, and I went ahead and put the sprinkles on them before cooking them. One of them I rolled into a ball. That one's the one that rolled into a ball, and I kind of platted it down. And then this one is just still baking underneath. They're getting brown on the bottom, so it's just going to take some time for them to cook through